Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahil. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change modes with Google Doc. First, we need to create a new document. Let's click to start a new document. To change the mode with the Google Doc, there's two ways that you can do this. First is that you can change the mode from the toolbar, and second is that you can change from the menu. First, let's change the mode from the toolbar, then we're going to see how we can change the mode with the menu. So here in this toolbar, you can click to change from editing to suggesting or viewing. And the second, as I said, you can click on the view, and here with the mode, you can switch between editing to suggesting and also to viewing. With the viewing, you cannot save the document. You cannot just double click here to rename your document or save it. But with viewing mode, you can see we have the file menu, which you can make a copy or you can use other options. Edit menu, there are some options that you can use. View, tools, extension, and help. If you want to save the document, then you need to switch to editing mode. Up here, I can just double click to rename my document. Let's call this something like QER. So this is how we can change the modes with Google Docs. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.